Are you upset with the arguments that you have with your teen? Do you feel it's difficult to communicate to your teen when he is angry? Hi, this is Dr. Nidhi Navandar, child psychologist and a life coach. Today I'm going to talk you how to diffuse the arguments with your teen. The first and foremost, you need to understand that it's your teen and you need to be calm first. So you are the one who's more mature. So you need to have a peaceful mind as much as possible when you know that an argument could break through. So your peaceful attitude is the most important thing when you converse with your child. Do remember that you do not need to be threatening. There are times when you have threatened your child when he was a small one. Maybe that, I'll stop giving you money or things like that. But this will not work. In fact, will shatter the relationship terribly between you and your teen. So see to it that you're not threatening him in any kind of words. Do understand that the child is reading your body language. You need to see to it that you are willing to listen, not only by showing, by expressing it through words, but even through your body language. These are the adults, I would say, who understand each and everything that you want to say and what you don't mean. So be in the willingness zone to understand and listen to your child as much as possible. Avoid looking at them right into the eye, staring, popping your eyes out, or maybe showing through your body language that you are very, very upset. They know you are, but you need to be in a peaceful position to make them understand that you are there to listen to them. So remember, you're not going to stare them eye to eye anytime. And in case you think that the argument is going out of proportion and you think that things might go all the more haywire, or maybe you are losing your control, see to it that you're walking out of the space and giving him the personal space or her the personal space. So you move out of the room and tell the child that this is gonna go out of proportion. We will talk when we both are calm. I hope these tips do help you to connect with your teen. All the best. Happy parenting.